Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide you a tutorial on how to show notifications on lock screen on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, notifications on the lock screen enable you to respond promptly to messages, calls, or other alerts without delay, improving communication efficiency. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, and on this page, select Notifications menu, and then you can choose Lock Screen Notifications. Okay, next activate it like this. So here you also find two options. If you activate the first one, then it will show the notification include its content. But if you select the second option, then it will display the notification with that content on your lock screen. Next, you can also activate this option to show content when the device is unlocked. Okay, so lastly, choose between two options below according to your preferences, where you prefer to activate the first or the second option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show notifications on lock screen on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.